So today I am fixing the coolant leak on my 986, which means I have to take off the water pump and change out the water pump gasket. So if you can see here, you will see that that's kind of where it's leaking from, and we're gonna change that out and see if that helps. If not, then I'm all out of ideas. But here's the problem. I am still in the dirt, which means I'm gonna have to move the car, and I'm gonna try to get it on ramps. That way it's a little bit safer for me to work on the car and underneath the car. So fortunately for us, we have Shelby helping us today.
Hello.
But just for a little bit. Just basically to move the car out of the dirt.
Cool.
Sweet.
I kind of scuffed this a little bit, but that's okay. This whole car's getting repainted.
Because the ground is so soft and the ramps aren't exactly closed off on the bottom, what we have to do is kind of put these wood planks underneath it. That way it doesn't dig into the ground.
Okay, so recently I made a short about getting out of the dirt, and you guys were absolutely vicious about it. So basically, you said get cardboard, get moving blankets for $5, get a long piece of AstroTurf, and one dude is just like, why don't you just build a concrete slab? And I'm like, I don't have enough money for that. At this point, I'm just gonna use some plywood and some cardboard, even though it kind of got rained on. Okay, so since I cannot actually film this while I'm doing it, I'm just gonna show you what you need to do. There are bolts here, 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 and here, and we're just gonna take those off because we got the ones down on the bottom, which should be easy enough. So down here we have the gasket. Now that I got the old piece out, you can see that there's bits of pieces that are almost rusted. So we're taking this piece off here. So this actually wasn't too bad, but it never hurts to replace these pieces. We also got the new gasket, but it is bent a little bit, so I hopefully will not have an issue with that. Okay, so we got the top part bolted back up. So now we just gotta work on the bolts on the bottom. So, it took me a second, but I got this clip in, that clip in, and this clip in here. I'm gonna wipe this off, dry it off, and see if I can get some coolant in here without leaking. So it is back to leaking, and I'm not really sure why. All right, so I put the old, new pump in there, and I've filled it up with water because I'm not gonna waste coolant. So let's see what's going on. Right now we got no dripping. If you're still here, thanks for sticking around this long. I know it's probably a long, arduous video. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more videos, like my next video where I change out the steering column because my turn signals don't work, and neither do my high beams. Or you can check out this video here where I steal my friend's truck and turn it into the Pizza Planet truck. He freaks out. It's hilarious.